Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have ds, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So for this one we have 2y and we have 6s squared y. So we have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So this one we have 3s squared y and we have 6s squared y. This one and this one they don't contain about y. This one they don't contain about s. So when we do first derivative, they are 0. So we see that this one and this one they are the same. So we can say that that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equals to the integration. So I choose about this one plus 3sy. So the integration of 3s squared, that is about s to the power of 3y squared. Number 1, that is about s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have 2y. This one you have this one does not contain about y, so you got 0. This one we have d over dy 3sy, and we know that this one equals to this one. And now we simplify for the both sides. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have negative y to the power of 5. Because the integration y to the power of 4, we have y to the power of 5 over 5. Number 5 and number 5 in here, they cancel. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to 6. And now we have the final answer in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.